out in Arvin near Bakersfield. Nike Factory Store in Tejon. What's it called? The Outlets of Tejon or something? I don't know. But we do have 40% off the back wall. I'm looking for some premium items. Do got some Jordan 1 Hot OGs. University Blue Reimagine 140 for those bad boys. 40% off. Got them in multiple colorways. I see a size 10 right here as well. Size 9, size 9.5. All right, we're gonna check out the women's section real quick, as well the bigger sizes, where I don't see any premium running shoes. There's some Metcon 9s right here, 75. Jordan 1s down here, 130. Got these J-Forces. Oh god, these look so awful. This is a huge size too. The J-Force one's $50. These are size 14.5 women's. We got some Dunks going for 90. All right, so much for hoping for some dope running shoes. All right, we're back to the men's. I just saw someone pick up some Pure Money 3s, 40% off. I don't know what it was listed at though. I'm trying to remember how much I got my Pure Money 3s for. It was like 95. I think I got $95. I don't think it was 40% off. Jordan 4 RMs 80. Air Force 1s 100. Mids right here $100. These are all 10, 10.5s. Got some Next Gens 80. Oh, these prices not bad, especially with 40% off the back wall. $65. Total orange. I think that's what they call this. But yeah, Air Max 90s 105. Even when like the price is not that great, 40% off makes it really good. 55 for the Pegasus waves. That's hella cheap. Zoom separates. These do have Air Zoom on it. $50, so it was at $30 after the savings. Diamond Turfs right here, $120. That's a hell of a price. Some Dunks for $70. Saw these Metcons in the women's, $75 in the men's. More of these Diamond Turfs right here. That might be the cheapest we've ever seen, those Diamond Turfs. More of these Jordan 4 RMs, $70. General, the Field Generals go for $50. Just did the math on these. 140 with 40% off. That comes out to like 80. I just forgot the math. It comes out to like 80 something dollars, like $84, something like that. Clearance apparel, 40% off. I see some jerseys. Drake London jersey right here, 170. Like these are the nice ones too. They have multiple. That's definitely a surprise. Yeah, those are the really nice ones. Team USA hoodie, $40. $40, that is a medium. It's like $25 after the savings. A Luka Doncic jersey right here, 120. If that was any lower, I was gonna say, let me just grab it. I'm a fan of Luka Doncic. Lakers look awful, but that fool has been balling. His defense a little sus, but we knew he had no defense. 70 for this Jordan Flight hoodie. This is actually really nice. Everything that's like kind of whatever price, like it's such a good price with 40% off. $12 after the savings for this Mamba t-shirt. Dang, I've never seen so many jerseys. That's kind of crazy. Mamba t-shirt right here, $30 for the all white. USA t-shirt right here, $24. That's a large. 2 more jerseys. What the heck? They should have some Bijan jerseys. Drake London's all right, but Bijan is a beast. I'm a huge fan of him. $50 for this hoodie. This hoodie right here, the Mamba hoodie, go for $60. That's what, $36 after savings. Those 24/7. No, it's just a regular sweatshirt, go for $55. More of these Mamba shirts. Tech pack jacket with the reflective material all over it, $175. The all black Mamba hoodie right here, $60. One of these tech pack jackets. This one does not have the reflective material. Let's see what they go for. $90. That was a little cheaper, but that color's awful. All right, let's finish off the aisles. I'm kind of in a time crunch. Seeing a lot of the same stuff. This is the size 11s right here. A lot of the same stuff over and over. I think I showed all of these in size 10s. Size 12, you got Oh, size 13s. Got shocks right here, $100. That's $60 after the savings. They got a size 12 right here as well. Jordan Maxin 200s if you're into the generic J, $60. More of these Jordan 4 RMs. Going for 80. What's this right here? 13 and a half. Witness. Going for 90. That's the latest version. Y'all see that? That's like a ghost. What the hell? What the hell? Didn't touch that one. The box pushed it over. Come on, stable. Bigger sizes, not really much exciting stuff. Budget runners down here. I thought these were some Vomeros. Now, like Revolutions? Yeah, that's about it. All right, let's knock out the smallest sizes. Where I'm gonna be honest, we see a lot of the same stuff. Look, same stuff over and over. The Field Generals right here. The Jordan 1 High OGs. Seen these in the size 10 and the bigger sizes. Got these Diamond Turfs, more of the Field Generals right here. Got these Shocks. R4s go for 110. All right, I think kind of the same old. All right, let's go check out the aisles. Just saw a worker bring this out right here. Look at this. This is my size 160. That comes out to what, $95? $95. Jordan 3 Pure Money. Did catch a lucky restock. This is fire, dude. I freaking love these. I think it was about the same price. About the same price. I think I got 30% off the same price, and then used a 15% off new membership coupon. Now we're moving on to the aisles. We got a bunch of the non-signature J's. Then we got these Jordan 3s right here. Got that nice, really soft. Is that suede? Yeah, it's like really soft suede. Got some mids. Just saw one of these in the... Didn't we see one of these in the clearance section? Then we got a couple of lows right here. Then I guess a couple more. This one's in patent leather. Got some Jordan 4 RMs. Why not 0.4s? Flight Legacies. Air Max 90s in a platinum tint, iron gray. Budget signature Nikes, kind of budget because they're next gens. And then we got the real budget ones right here, the LeBron Witness. We're seeing these Rejuvenate slides go down in price. Seem to be hella comfy. A couple more of these Witnesses. Got some Dunks. Cortezes, I think I picked these up for like, were these the ones I picked up for like $40? Then I picked up like the all leather version. This is not long, but I picked up the all leather version for like $35. Air Max 90s in all white. Air Max 2017s in 4 different colorways. Feel like these are omnipresent at pretty much every outlet. And then people are still paying retail for Forces. Then of course always got to have some 270s. Air Max DN8s. DNs. Those DN8s look so much better. This one's all black, but I was like, is this reflective? No, it's not reflective, but the material, upper material's different from that other one. All right, I don't really have time to check the women's clearance, so we'll check the aisles real quick. Got a couple of Dunks. We always see this colorway. Got 4 different colorways of the Air Max 270s. Prices, dang, consistent at $100. Some Jesus sandals. Then in grade school, a couple of Shocks R4s. Forces going for retail. Some mids, some generic J's, some Dunks, more generic J's right here. And then just generic everything else. Not really seeing too much craziness here. Stop by here every once in a while, not too often. Back in the day, I used to drive here just for this spot. I think I grabbed my LeBron 15 Game of Thrones or Watch the Thrones. I think I bought those here. But yeah, we're gonna stop by some other spots because the video's not long enough. Came out here to Bakersfield. Stock car racing. It says Arca West. Got a caution lap right now, so they're gonna have another restart. Got here right when this started, so I couldn't get the beginning for y'all. It is a bit loud. Then we got a green light.
Let's see what happens with Sean Hingarani.
Or green flag.
Alongside Mason Massey down into turn
Huddleston, look, Huddleston second.
Can he clear Mason Massey off of turn 4? Indeed, he does.
We out in Torrance. The back wall. Look at this. I'm a fan of that price too. That's under $100 at 40 off. $72 after the discount. I'm not digging this color though. Definitely not digging this color. I could probably do in a size 11. A little bit of dirt right there. Probably could do a size 11. These DNA8s, we're seeing it in every freaking size, and that price, 120, 40 off, is such a good price. $60, 40% off. That comes out to $36.